Four engineering students in Denmark has built a special kind of drone. The drone cannot only fly through the air but also can dive in the water, moving just as easily underwater. The students Andrei, Mikolaj, Pavel, and worked on the project as a part of the bachelor thesis. In just 2 semesters, they managed to design, build, and test a working prototype. For the drone to switch seamlessly from air to water, a process called a variable pitch propeller system is used. With this system, the angle of the propeller blades can be adjusted to suit whatever environment. If the drone is underwater, the blades are set to a lower pitch to allow it to move freely. In the air, it is increased for a stronger lift. The design allows the same rotors to work well in both environments. In a short video on YouTube by team member Andrei, the drone was shown off. It first takes off the ground, flies steadily through the air, and then dips into the pool. Underwater, it moves a short distance before risking backing out and continuing to fly. The switch from air to water almost seems seamless, meaning that drone does not need to stop operation to change the individual parts. This shows how well the drone can adapt to its environment in real time. It has a compact circular body that holds a battery and control system. You get four evenly spaced out arms, each with two-blade rotator at the end. This gives the drone stability while flying and balancing while swimming underwater. It looks a more advanced form of the 2015 drone made by Rogers University. That older drone had the ability to work in air and water but relied on wired control and a different rotor system. This is not the first time a multi-mode drone has been made headlines. Just a few days ago, a DIY engineer revealed a 3D printed model that could walk on land, fly in the air, and float on water. With these kinds of innovations, hybrid drone could be integrated into certain jobs.